Demon just got out the can. I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance.
How's it going so far?
Good, my chest and titty gains feel like about to blow up. We use minimal weight, but my pecs literally feel like if your chest was a fan, it feels like it's opened up massively. Like the whole of my upper chest here, like the fascia and like tissues seem to be releasing to the blood. So like there, I've never really felt like that contract as much before. And it's just the angle of like that contraction there, I think on the fly we did, really fried my chest. So it's really, really good. Like learning a ton. Me and Mike behind the camera are going to jacked up.
Good job.
Superb.
Another two. Come on. Up.
Good.
You're holding yourself back, right? You're holding yourself back. Keep going.
Well done. Excellent. Good done. You having to get a slight gap between the back and the lumbar of the head. So hold it there, now push your shoulders back and there you go. Now see that's there, right straight away, yeah? Good. Come on. Yes, that's it. Keeping that chest up. Well done. Yeah, good. Lovely.
Give me that head up. Show everybody on the camera. That's it. Give me that head up. Squeeze. There you go.
Nice.
Let me see it work. That's it. Head up, work that chest. Good. That's it.
Well done.
Push that little finger side. Push that little finger side. Go and get him out. Finish.
Demon just got